Well, pal, I like your style, but I'm gonna be honest with you, your sick-ass plan has one major flaw to it. You see, if I'm recording myself on this computer and then end up smashing it, there's no way to get the footage out so we can watch it. And also, I feel like that's not the right send-off to old Bertha over here. So I say as she goes, we play her favorite song, shall we? Selena Gomez. I love it. This is perfect. Wasn't that delightful? And back in action, we're back in the action, boys. We got a wild video today, man, which led me to sit seductively on this couch so you guys really listen to me, you know what I mean? Sun's shining on my face, and hopefully Selena Gomez watches this one, because I'm looking fly. I don't know. Anyway, the video we're doing today has been madly requested. For those of you who haven't been watching the channel for a while, we used to do the series all the time. Now, people that have been watching my channel have been really asking for it to come back. However, I'm a bigger and better person now. You know what I mean? I just got Selena tattooed on my lip while drunk in Vegas. So it only makes sense that I bring back this series, but make it better. So explaining this series, you guys have probably seen Instagram ads before. They're like those annoying things that pop up that are like, hey, buy this for 20% off. Anyway, here's an example right here. No, not that one! But that would be sick, wouldn't it? Take two, it actually looks like this. There we go. Perfect. Anyway, this is a series where we go shopping on these Instagram ads with deals and see if their items that they're selling for cheap are real or not. However, the spin comes into play right now. Everything I got in this video was free. I just had to pay shipping for it. I've been searching up Instagram ads for the past like 3 weeks. Finally, things came in, and I went through like 5 or 6 ads that were advertising free things. So what we're doing today, boys, is unboxing every single item that I got for free off these Instagram ads. But with that being said, let's go to the Batcave real quick and unbox our free stuff, shall we? This thing on? Yeah, it is. Hi, Selena, it's me again. I know you never check your Instagram DMs for me or anything, but I had a dream that you might check this one, so I thought I'd hit you up again wearing the shirt as usual and show you something else I've been practicing. Here we go. Show her what we can do, boys. Let's show her what we can do. Oh, yeah. Let's go, boys. Work together. Woo! Yeah, you like that, Selena? You like that? Bounce, bounce. Okay, I did not do that. That's weird CGI these days for sure. Somebody hacked my computer. Have you guys seen Tyrannosaurus Rexes on that movie Jurassic Park? You know how real those look? That was me in that video, but not, because those Tyrannosaurus Rexes that you see in those movies are fake, just like that was fake. I don't even own that shirt. I do, but that's gross to do, so I wouldn't have done that. Somebody photoshopped it. Let's get on to the video now. Jesus, how dare you do that to me? Alright, so we got a bunch of packages here. I want to say real quick, this might go a little bit fast because I have to be somewhere in about a half hour, which means also we might not get this video to 10 minutes, which also means that'll probably lead me to dancing at the end or something so we can get it to 10 minutes and this gets shared more on YouTube and then we make more money. I'm always going to be real with y'all. But that being said, somewhere in this little dancing clip, if we don't make it to 10 minutes, will be a code. Now, the first person I see to DM me that code on Instagram's right here, I will give away one of these items to you guys. A couple of these are 18 plus, so I'm not going to give those away, but one of these items to you guys, so just look out for that. It's like, it's a win-win for all of us, and I get this to 10 minutes. I'm a boss, I think. First package! Now, I'm not going to lie to y'all. Some of this stuff might be junk, but some of this stuff might be real. So I'm kind of curious to see what we get. First thing was the, oh yeah! These are my Beat headphones. If I remember correct, these were free with $40 shipping. I've never actually had Beats before. Oh, these look good, bro. Where's the cord? Where's the cord? Where's the f***ing cord? Oh, they're Bluetooth. Oh, that looks sick, bro. I can't even hear myself yell. This is a big breath of fresh air. For once, I can't hear myself talk. But if we really want to make this right, we're gonna hook up the Bluetooth and see how well these puppies work. How's that sound?
A few moments later.
Alrighty. Bluetooth's all hooked up. Let's see how this runs, eh? Ah, no! Ah, hell no! Bad, bad, bad. Not good. Next package. Ah! Ah! Oh no, okay. Yes. This is one of those sexy whips, you know what I mean? This is like when you have a girl that's misbehaving and then you whip her in like a sexual way. Oh no! I'm honestly doing this video for lols. Ah, this is called a wiener ring. I found a website that had free SEX toys. So I'm like, obviously I'm gonna buy this stuff, which I'm not gonna use. That would be ridiculous. Yes, looks a little bit big for my liking, so I might just have to throw that out, unfortunately. Everything's too big for me. That sucks. If you guys dig this series, I want to do more of them. I want to do more wacky unboxings, you know what I mean? Just stuff that doesn't really matter but makes me laugh is kind of what I'm after, and everything else. As y'all can see with that, next package. I love this. Next package. Alright, so I can feel this one right here. This, I tried to get a little bit of jewelry. We've been kind of doing that on the channel. Here is a gold watch that we got. I don't remember what website this was from or anything. I'm not gonna lie, bro. This looks almost exactly like the ones they have on Supreme Patty. So what I suggest, if you guys want to get free things off Instagram, which I don't suggest also, because since I've been looking at all these Instagram ads, my whole Instagram page is filled with ads. But once you see an ad, maybe click it. Go check out their stuff, and you'll just see a lot more of their stuff on the feed. Gold watch, not bad, whatever. I'm waiting for one of these items real bad. I can feel by the package what one it is, so we're gonna save that one for last. Next package. I don't know what this could be at all. It's something blingy, actually. Oh, yeah! I did get something cool like this. So next up, we got this little blingy pendant right here. This was off some jewelry website. I think it might have Focus. I think this might have been off the same one that I got the watch. We got the little ice cream guy right here. I'm pretty sure this comes from Pharrell Williams. If you guys don't know, he does a lot of cool stuff with shoes, and I'm pretty sure this is his ice cream pendant. He also does a lot of other stuff. Is he a singer? I just know he wears sick hats all the time. He looks like Cat in a Hat, but with like sicker hats. Good job, buddy. I like that one. Yeah. So I'm pretty sure I did order a pair of shoes on here, and this is probably it. It is. What the hell are we doing? What? It comes with one shoe! And that's not cool either. So I remember getting this. This is supposed to be a Gucci slide, which apparently is just absolutely fake, which your picture did not show. Burn pile number 1. You know, if you guys saw my room and saw how much flammable stuff there is all over my ground, you'd probably say, hey, NameBran, don't do that. But hey. Oh, shit! Oh, it smells like horse shit. It actually smells like burnt pierogies. That's really weird. Gucci slide. Awesome. Next. Oh, with a hint of farmer sausage. This is great. Stun gun. Next package. I don't know why I got this, but it was free, and I thought it's just a beaded necklace with seashells on it. By the way, I'm going to the Dominican Republic in 2 weeks for about 2 weeks, so if you guys want vlogs there, let me know. Actually, just to know you've watched this far in the video, if you guys say something about that in the comments, I'm like gonna heart it or something. Say, yeah, man, vlog in the Dominican Republic. Hopefully when my girlfriend goes away, I can find good beach ladies there that I can look at. Oh my god, a woman on the beach that's naked! Oh wow. Alright boys, so I saved the last package for last. I thought I had a little bit more, but I think more stuff's coming in the mail. I just really wanted to make this video just because of this last piece. Now, I don't condone what I'm about to unbox whatsoever, and if you are under the age of 18, you should not watch this part of the video. Let's get into it. This is why I do YouTube, man, for the goose. And now, I don't want to call myself a connoisseur on these or anything, but I'll be able to tell if it's real or fake. Let me just say that. FELSH light. That's what we got, boys. It was free. I'm not going to not get it. I'm also not going to use it because I'm not a loser. Of course I'm going to use it, probably. Now, I'm not going to show you guys this part because I'm really not trying to get demonetized, but okay. Wow, that is actually not, that is not a woman part from the front. That is a woman part from the back. I don't have a butt one yet, or I don't have any of these at all. It's like a sword. It's like the handle of a sword, and it was free. That's me messing around in my room and unboxing stuff I got for free. I appreciate you guys for watching this video, and it looks like I'm gonna have to do a lot of dancing at the end of this because it's probably not even close to 10 minutes. Which means you guys might see me passing out from heat because I'll probably have some sick mask on or something. Appreciate y'all for watching. If you guys dig this series, let me know. And once again, let me know what you guys want to see more of. We've been kind of like doing vlogs and unboxings and messing with people in public. We also did a reaction video. I'm trying to make this channel more or less just like everything. You know what I mean? As long as, this is what I'm going for. As long as my personality's in it, hopefully that's what you guys are watching for, just an idiot on screen, then hopefully you guys are down to watch like any videos I do. You know what I mean? So that's kind of my goal for this. This is real new to me, to like really blowing up to the point that we have. So I'm really just trying to kill this for y'all. And yeah, at the end of this video, once again, there will be a code to give away one of these things, and I will find one of you guys on Instagram. I don't know if it'll be the first one because I assume I'm gonna get a lot of DMs, but the first one I see giving me that code, I will send you out probably, what do we have? Either the watch or the pendant. Real quick though, before we end off this video, I always gotta shout out the bros. This video is actually brought to you by rosegoldandblack.com. If you guys want to go search them, their link is down below. This is personally my favorite one. It comes with like the sickest packaging. And if you guys click the link down below, only through that link you'll get like a really, really good discount. Sorry, it looks really red in here. I had to film this after because I had to go to my party thing that I had to do, and now I'm back. Anyway, Rose Gold and Black, really appreciate these guys, and they sent me like a bunch of these. My mom wears them, which means they're pretty sick. Chicks like them, or at least my mom does. Anyway, rosegoldandblack.com. Go click the link regardless. Like, at least go check out their stuff, because the more clicks we get, which means the more sponsorship we get, because they're happy with the amount of clicks. So go click it, boys. We get more money. This is sponsored by them. Rose Gold and Black. Cool packaging. But you'll only be able to see the packaging if you buy this stuff. Usually I show you the packaging. This is my own, like, marketing scheme right now to go make you guys buy it so then you can see the packaging. Anyway, peace.